Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Wordle application on iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download the Wordle application on your iPhone is easy. First, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet and then tap Open your App Store. In the search box, type in Wordle and perform your search. Once you find the application displayed in the search result, tap on the Get button to start downloading the application. Once the application has been downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch Open Wordle application right on your iOS device. Allow necessary permissions for the app and start up with your game. That is how you'll be able to download Wordle application right on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.